Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This truck is featured in gray with black leather seats as well as alloy rims. Under the hood we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This truck features a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats as well as heated rear seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a sunroof, as well as safety features including forward collision alert, lane departure warning, parking assist, and much more. Okay, onto the front interior, we have some black leather with brown stitching, chrome door handle, as well as chrome AT4 badging, 2 memory seating options with savable presets, as well as power unlock and lock buttons, power window and mirror controls, some storage in the door in 3 compartments, and our main Bose front speaker. Our brown and black front leather seats with AT4 embroidered on the headrests, as well as power seating options on the left with lumbar support. Hopping into the truck now, just off to the left of our steering wheel, we have our park brake, optional 2- and 4-wheel drive, and our trailer mode, as well as our lighting options to the right. Heads-up display controls with info and brightness. The HUD is displayed on the windshield digitally right about there. We have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the right we have our cluster control with Bluetooth and hands-free, and on the left we have our cruise control with heated wheel and forward collision alert as well. We'll go ahead and start the truck now. Push to start is just down to the right. We can see our fully digital gauge cluster with tons of options within. Infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have navigation. We have our cameras with lots of views, as well as bird's eye with guidelines and alerts. Back into park, and we can shut off the truck now. Just beneath we have our climate control with lane departure warning, parking assist, auto on-off toggle, and our power tailgate, traction control and our hazard lights as well, and hill assist. Our shifter, as well as some storage in the front, USB and USB-C inputs, cup holders, and a little bit of storage in the middle. Wireless charging pad just beneath our black leather center console. Good amount of storage as well as a removable cover. 3-prong input. Another USB and USB-C. Our sunroof with a slider. Black headliner. 3 garage door presets with dome lights. Our sunroof controls, OnStar and SOS. Our rear view mirror, which is also digital. We'll show you that really fast. Start the truck. You can toggle between digital and non-digital with the lever on the bottom. And our other side of the front. Okay, onto the exterior now. We have our alloy rims with GMC center caps, 6.2 liter V8 chrome badging, as well as black mirror caps with side indicators. Just beneath we have our AT4 chrome badging as well. These mirrors have a blind spot indicator on the top left. We have keyless entry on our front door handle, color matched door handles. Privacy tint along the sides and the back window of the truck. Coming along the back, we can see our GMC chrome badging as well as Sierra and AT4. Our hitch and chrome tip dual exhaust. We can grab our key to unlock our power tailgate, double clicking, and down it comes. A lined truck bed, a good amount of storage within, as well as AT4 embossed on the back. Onto the rear interior now, we have some black leather and brown stitching, chrome door handle and some carbon fiber, power window, storage in 2 compartments in our rear door, and our main rear speaker. We have our black and brown leather rear seats. We can lift them up for some additional storage underneath. In between we have a pull down armrest and cup holders. We'll hop in the back here. We're greeted by magazine holders on the back of either of the front seats, rear cup holders, rear vents, USB and USB-C inputs, as well as heated rear seats. A look at our sunroof from the rear. We also have dome lights above our seats and hooks on either side. Very spacious and very comfortable. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.